Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Go Dynamic IT. Accidentally deleting the data from a computer is a common issue. It often occurs when you cut and paste the data from one location to another location or when you're copying the data between an external drive and your computer. But don't worry, we are here to test the AnyRecover data recovery tool to help us recover the lost data. In the first test, we will permanently delete the data using Shift Delete and try to recover it. And in the second test, we will format the disk and then try to recover the data. So let's get into the video and perform our test. So this is my browser. And the browser, we have to go to Google and type any recover tool, and you can see the first link has come. So we have to go to the website AnyRecover tool, and it says that the hard disk recovery, and when you go to the function, it says that data recovery for Windows. So let's try. They have a multiple tools here. You can see here data recovery for Windows, SD card recovery, hard disk recovery, and line chart and history data recovery, WhatsApp recovery. Wow, recovery for Android, data recovery for iPhone, data recovery for Mac. AI-based file photo video restoration. That's fine. So our thing is to we have to where our data has been deleted from the hard drive. So let's go here, and it says that when you come back, let's say what it says. Oh, you can recover the data from your SD card, memory card, flash drive, etc. Fine. So what we'll do is let's try it out. So I'm going to download this software, and you can see here this software has been downloaded. Now let's try to install it. Okay, so it says click on the install to installing. Okay, I'm installing now. It should be the quick one, and let's see if we have a drive connected on my computer. Yes, it is connected, and I have a file in it, important files, and important files we have photos, videos, and everything. So guys, we have already tested two soft data recovery software. One is Stellar and the other one is EaseUs. So if you want to see that how it works, you can go and watch the video on my channel. Okay, so this has been installed now. It says that hard disk recovery. Okay, just click on the hard disk recovery. Okay, so now this tool has come after the installation, and it says that where you want to recover this data. So you can see this is the home, then you have a second menu is PC and hard drive recovery, fourth is iPhone recovery, fourth one is social app recovery, and more tool. You have a more tool where you can recover the data from the cloud drive. Wow, there's lots of options there, but that's not a part of discussion here. So let's go and discover the data from our hard disk. So here it says that it discovered the two hard drive. One is our the Windows drive, which is the C drive. The other one is it reserve. Another one is your external drive, which is my pen drive, right? And then it's a recycle bin and all. So, and it says that cannot find the location, recycle bin, desktop, and select folder. So what we will do is we'll quickly go back to our pen drive, and then inside this pen drive, so what we will do is we'll go to the important file and delete these folders, because this is where I had all my, okay, let me show you. This is the folder where all my important file were there. So let me delete that. Okay, so these files are deleted from my pen drive. Now when we go back to this tool, any recovery tool, and it says that where you want to recover it. So obviously I can go to this external drive and recover it, but I will not go that, right? Reason being is it will try to recover from the whole drive, and you can see this is almost 15 GB, 16 actually this is the physically it's a 16 GB pen drive, but it's showing the 15 GB. That's fine, but I know from which folder it has deleted. So what I'll do is I'll just click the select folders, and I'll go to this E drive, which is my pen drive, and I'll go to the important files because this is where my files were missing. So select the important files and select the folders, and now it has started scanning the files. You can see here this is scanning the files, and this is very quick, guys. This is working very quickly. So you can see here this is scanning the file, and once it's complete 100%, I'll come back to you. Okay, so you can see here this is 98% completed, and it took almost 13 minutes to complete this 100% approximately. So it's going to be 100, and let's see, and how much data it recovered. It recovered 13 files, and then there are like JPGs, photos, and other files. So let's click on the recovery or deleted lost file and see what it has been recovered. Oh, it's asking us to buy the license. Okay, we'll buy the license. First, show me the files. So when we go to the path and when we select this folder, important folders, you can see here it says that if it found almost all the folders, do we have a preview available? Let's see. Let's double click on this. I think yeah, it's there. It's showing me this pictures which were there in the files. That is fine. But how about our documents? Okay, let's click on the document here, and it says that this found this Excel. Absolutely fine. And this says that it has found the document. Okay. And how about the video? Okay. This has found the video also. So this is our video here. So absolutely fine. So I think this has done the job which we are asked for. I mean, it can recover the data from shift delete, accidentally shift delete, deleting the data. Now, if you want to recover it, I think it's asked for the license to buy the license. It says that $2 per day. Monthly it will cost you $60, so $194 per day approximate for this tool. But that's fine. Our intention is to test the tool, not to buy it now. And then what will happen? So let's close this application. I'm happy with that. Okay, the scanning. No, let's close this one. We'll give the review later. Now it's time to go back to the disk and format it. So let's go ahead and format the disk, and it's formatting now. Disk formatting is completed. Now go back to our recycle bin, and the recycle bin, you can see here nothing in the recycle bin, it's empty. Now it's time to go back and recover the tool. So let's go back to the C drive, E drive, nothing. Open the tool and recover. Okay, go ahead. It's loading now. And it says that what do you want to recover? So I'll go to the PC hardware drive recovery. And this time I will select my drive, this E drive, because there is no folder as of now in the drive. It's just empty. So click on this folder and it will start scanning the file. I'm sure that this is going to take some time. So if you want to take a break, go ahead and take a coffee break. And once it's done, I will let you know how much time it will to recover the data from formatted disk. So you can see here after completing all the scan, it's 100% scan is completed. And interestingly, that it completes all the scan within 30 minutes. It took almost same amount of time to recover the data formatting after formatting the disk. So let's click on the recover. Notice one more thing here. It recover all these 23 files and the deleted lost file is 21. Recover all deleted files. Click here. It's asking about the license and all. That's fine. We'll buy it later. And you can see here this says that these are the image file it's recovered. And I think all file related to the one which is been deleted from the disk. So absolutely fine. Good job. Any recover? And then let's look into this documents, and it recovered this two document, but in this time there is no file name into this. Okay, that's interesting. It should show us the file names. You can see here the file name is 000 and the document is also 000. It was some file name, right? What was the file name? CU data and important doc. So here the file name is missing, and here also you can see here all this 1264 JPGs are there. I'm not sure why this is showing this. It found the file. It says that 5.9 KB. But how about the original file? The Excel file was almost 6 KB. So that is fine. But how about if we go back to the doc? It says 4.9 KB. The doc is 4.9 KB. It's a 5 KB file. But it does the job, but somehow it's not showing this file name. So if you want to trust this application and go ahead and buy the license, go ahead and do that. But we have done the testing for this tool, and that's it for today's video. If you have any questions, concern, or any feedback related to this video, please do let me know in the comment box. Thank you very much for watching my video.